Okay, today we're making a little bit simpler version of a boat. You're gonna need a sponge, a triangle, and a straw. In my case, I was out of straw, so I had Chinese chopsticks and some scissors to make a hole. One thing that you're gonna need to do is make a hole right here in the center of your sailboat. Just gonna poke a little hole. And there's, my sailboat's a little bit tough because there's a protective thing in the back. There we go. So I'm gonna poke that little hole in there. So there's a little hole. Also, my sponge is wavy, so it reminds me of a boat or a raft. But if you have a square sponge, then you could shape it into a curvy triangle, soft edge triangle. Then you can either punch two little holes right here or have your stick make it through the hole, and you have your sail. And the hole that you put in your sponge is for your stick. And you have your sailboat. Let me show you from a different view.